Alright then, guys, welcome back to the channel, to this morning's fine crispy ride. And yeah, we are just passing Glenbard South High School. And we should be at our destination in about 10 minutes or so. So pretty much the duration of this segment. We got some company behind us. Car going really slow, or I'm going really fast. Oh, it's that guy chugging along really slow. But yeah, I'm probably traveling about 18-19 miles an hour. You know, nothing too fancy. Just a bloke, just a morning bloke on his morning ride. Huh? Is that something they would say in England? Anyone? Just a morning bloke on his morning cycle ride. On his morning cycle. Oh yeah, there is a freight train. So guys, yeah, encountering our first freight train. And the lovely morning smell of a skunk. This is Chicago. Morning smell of skunks and a freight train. Kind of summarizes Chicago in a way. Yeah, some of these are super long, and we will know exactly how super long this one is. Yeah, looks like maybe coal or some kind of a stone formation. Oh, it's right there. So we got it just at the right time, guys. Right towards the tail end. Yeah, there were some rocky sediments up in there. Can't really tell what it was, but Building America, Union Pacific. That's fantastic. That is fantastic. I think we're safe. We are safe to cross. There we go. There we are. And look at that sky, guys. 5:24. Wonder in how many minutes we will see our first peak of the sun. Temperature's still at 64, but we've gone a few good miles closer to the lake. So as we're getting closer to the lake, it's actually getting cooler. But by the sun getting out and out more, and it's getting warmer. So there's not much of a change, but I bet you back home is probably now maybe 65, 66 perhaps. Just always a little cooler near the lake. That's what we say in Chicago. Always cooler near the lake. And we're going to be coming up on one of my morning golf courses. So It's stealth time. It's stealth golf ball time. Shall we go fondle some balls? Yes, we shall. Well, hopefully we'll get lucky with at least one ball. Well, I got this orange ball. I saved it because it's my favorite color. So there's one I found, a top flight 2, yesterday. So I got that in my pocket for good luck. As a good luck charm. So let us scan carefully here and keep a measured pace, as we say. Oh, nope. That was some sort of a plastic container, very small plastic container. All right, so yesterday, see, there's the golf course there. Yesterday I encountered the first ball just right before these traffic lights. Ooh, got some gas this morning. Burping up a storm. Yeah, somewhere on here, guys. Yesterday I was lucky with my first ball I can fondle. Nothing so far. I think this is where I got my second one yesterday. Wow, man, a dry morning. I can't believe it. It has been a great while since I have experienced a dry morning, guys. And see, there's some more of the golf course there on this side. The Prairie Club of Glenview. Yeah. Well, oh wow, I can feel the warmth here. I don't know what it's from, but I just hit like a warm spot. Maybe we got our first peek of the sun somewhere. Doesn't look it, just a pink sky. Oh yeah, it might be cloudy over there. It kind of looks like it's a wee bit cloudy. All right. Cole Children's Museum here, guys. We're gonna have to check this place out one day. All right, so we are heading into our final furlong. To our destination, which we actually made pretty good time. 5:30 a.m. It's actually 5:20